Hello, and welcome to All Access Life, your home for accessible resources. My name is Dan O'Connor.
And my name is Bradley Hutton.
Now, Brad and I noticed a couple years ago that there was a huge gap in the accessibility scene. There's so many resources coming out that it was impossible for us to keep up. So what we decided to do was to create a one-stop shop that offered trending products and technology, apps, resources, and inspirational videos that are specific to our 8 categories.
The categories are located at the top of the screen. Our first category is general accessibility. Everyone should check out this category because it's filled with assistive resources to make anyone's life simpler. We recommend some of these products to other categories that would benefit from them. We also provide a detailed explanation why the product would be good for that category. Our next category is physical disabilities, followed by cerebral palsy, Down syndrome, autism, visual impairment, deaf and hard of hearing, and the elderly.
Make sure you take a second and sign up as a member to All Access Life, located on the top right of the screen. It's 100% free, and all you have to provide is an email address. This way, whenever Brad and I update the website, you'll receive email notification of the new resources. You'll also be able to access exclusive areas of the website that are only available to members. Once you've signed up and become a member, you'll notice 3 icons at the top right of the screen. The first is the members icon. Here you can find other All Access Life members, view their profiles and forum posts they made, and if you want, you can choose to follow them and get notified when they post something new. This is a good way to meet others and get to know people in the community, as we have a diversity of members, from professionals to people with special needs, parents, caregivers, and so on. The second icon is your notifications, and finally the last icon is your profile. Once you've selected, it'll prompt you to navigate to your profile, change your settings, or log out. Selecting My Profile will bring you to your profile page. Here you can select your profile picture, choose a cover image, or write a bit about yourself. We then have the Members Forum, where you can share your own resources or information, ask questions, or start your own discussions in any of our 8 categories. Finally, we have our chat room, where we'll be holding discussions every now and then on the topic of accessibility.
Thank you for your interest in All Access Life, and we hope you decide to join this community.